Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to be talking about under pressure, which was invented by Michael Weil as he was playing around with the pressure fan. It was then made famous by Dave Buck. In this video we're also going to be talking about the pressure fan. Let's get into the tutorial. So, for under pressure, the first principle that you're going to have to understand is the pressure fan principle. In order to execute a pressure fan, you're going to position your left hand in a fan grip position, with your ring finger in the lower right corner and your thumb in the lower left corner, like this. So your starting position for the left hand is going to be this one. Now your right hand is going to come over in a middle grip, and your thumb is going to contact the center of the lower edge, right here. And you're going to position your middle finger and ring finger at the top right corner of the deck. So your starting position for the pressure fan is going to be this one. Once you understand the grip, I'm not going to teach you the fan. You're going to apply downward pressure with your middle finger and ring finger, and you're going to spring the cards and release them one after the other in a circular motion like this. So it's very hard to do slow, but at a fast pace, it should look something like this. So, the grip for the left hand, fan grip position with your ring finger in the lower right corner and your thumb in the lower left corner. Your right hand comes over in a middle grip. Your middle finger and ring finger apply downward pressure and release the cards one after the other in a circular motion like this. So, once you understand the pressure fan, it's going to make things easier for under pressure. For under pressure, the grip is going to be the same for the left hand. Fan grip position as for the pressure fan. The only difference now is that your right hand is going to come and contact the deck in a middle grip, but this time it's going to use your index finger and middle finger, while your thumb is contacting the lower edge at its center like this, and only the tip underneath, just like that. So, the grip is going to be this one, and the starting position is going to be this one with your index finger and middle finger in the top right corner. Now you're going to apply downward pressure, and you're going to execute your pressure fan until about 90 degrees, right here. And what's going to happen is that you're going to continue applying that downward pressure, but you're going to stop forming the fan. So what is going to happen is that the cards are going to start shooting towards your left hand. If you execute all that I've just told you, it's going to look something like this. You're going to get a beautiful display of cards. So once again, the grip for the left hand, fan grip with the ring finger in the lower right corner and your thumb in the lower left corner. Your right hand comes over, your thumb contacts the center of the lower edge right here, and your index finger and middle finger contact the top right corner. You're going to start putting downward pressure like this, forming your fan until you reach about 90 degrees, and then you're going to continue the downward pressure, which is going to shoot the cards. Just like that. So, you can use under pressure for many things. One thing, it can be used to show that to your audience that all the cards in the deck are different. It's a very cool way of showing your audience that all the cards are different. Just turn over your deck and execute under pressure. You can then show that all the cards in the deck are different. One thing you can use it for as well is, let's say you do a magic trick and one of the cards ends face up in the middle of the deck. Just do under pressure and you can show your audience that a card has turned up in the middle of the deck, just like that. So let's come back to under pressure. Your grip, fan grip with the left hand, just like that. Your right hand comes over, and this is very important. Your thumb has to contact the center of the lower edge, right here. And only the tip is underneath, okay? So, then your index finger and middle finger come over, and they apply downward pressure. While you apply this downward pressure, you're going to start to spring the cards and release them one after the other, just like that. Just like the pressure fan. The only difference is that when you're going to reach about 90 degrees, you're going to continue that downward pressure, and the cards are going to shoot back towards your left hand, just like that. Something that you should know as well is that you don't want to pause. That means that you don't want to go to 90 degrees, then pause, then start doing the downward pressure. It has to be one fluid motion. So you start, you get to 90 degrees, and you continue in the same action to spring the cards. And that's it for under pressure. So that's it. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you have any comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment box below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's the best way for you guys to give us your support. Thanks everyone, and see you next time.